This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Icebox Door Hinge on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new Icebox Door Hinge for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Remove the door bins from the ice door by lifting up. The hinge holds the icebox door in place. Remove the screw holding the hinge in place using a T15 torque spit. Pull the lever, open the door, then lift up to remove it. Swing the hinge to the right and lift up and out to remove. If you need to purchase a new Icebox door hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, place the hinge into the retaining slot and swing it to the left. Align the pin with the hole on the bottom of the door and press into place. Lock the latch to hold the door in place so that installing the screw is easier. Align the hole on the hinge with the pin on the door. Then reinstall the screw. Finally, reinstall the door bins. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.